Hi, today's keto recipe for breakfast is avocado cheddar sandwich. Optional tip, use a 3 inches or 4 inches round cookie cutter to trim the egg rounds after baking. Prep time, 15 minutes. Cook time, 20 minutes. Serves, 4. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, separated. 4 ounces cream cheese, room temperature. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Sea salt and black pepper to taste. 4 slices sharp cheddar cheese. 1 large avocado, sliced. 1/2 medium tomato, thinly sliced. 12 thick cut slices bacon, cooked crispy. Directions: preheat oven to 325 F and line 2 large baking sheets with parchment paper or Silpat baking mats. Set aside. Add the 6 egg whites to the bowl of a stand mixer or a large mixing bowl if using a hand mixer. Mix on high speed until stiff peaks form. Set aside. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk the cream cheese with 4 egg yolks and the garlic powder. Reserve the remaining egg yolks for another use. Season with salt and black pepper to taste, and stir to combine. Set aside. Working in batches, gently fold the whipped egg whites into the cream cheese mixture with a spatula just until the mixture is thoroughly combined. Do not overwork. Spoon approximately 1/4 cup of the mixture on the prepared baking sheets to create 8 circles. Gently spread the mixture into 1/2 inch high circles, leaving some space between each circle. The mounds will spread a bit while baking. Bake until the egg rounds become golden and fully set in the center, approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Remove from the oven and trim each egg round with the cookie cutter, if desired. Place a slice of cheddar cheese on 4 of the circles and return to the oven just until the cheese is melted, approximately 2 minutes. Remove baking sheet from oven and top each of the rounds with cheddar with 2 to 3 avocado slices, a thin slice of tomato, and 1 strip of bacon broken in half. Top with the remaining egg rounds and serve immediately with 2 additional strips of crispy bacon on the side. Enjoy! We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.